How to fix yellow screen issue on iPhone after any iOS update or other reason. In this short video, I will show you how to fix iPhone yellow screen issue. Let's move to the solution without wasting any time. Firstly, and basic solution is force to restart your iPhone. It depends on you that which model you are using, because every model have different way to force to restart your iPhone. So force to restart your iPhone to fix that issue. Suppose right now I am using iPhone X, and volume up button and volume down button, and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo, and your iPhone will force to restart and then easily fix that issue. After force to restart your iPhone, you can see appears on screen I'm fix my issue right now. If you don't fix that issue after force to restart your iPhone, then move to the second solution. Connect your iPhone with iTunes and upgrade your iPhone if your phone is on older iOS update. If your phone on latest update, then downgrade your iPhone to previous update. Make sure you don't have any screen hardware issue on your iPhone. If you have any screen hardware issue on your iPhone, just contact the nearest Apple store. They will fix your issue. So after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix yellow screen issue on iPhone after update. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.